Welcome back to Nightcliff Fishing Team. I've got my son here, Jack. We're going to do an unboxing of fsa45 Stihl battery power whippersnipper, proudly donated to us by our local Stihl nambour dealer. Much appreciative. Jack, what do you think? Should we get into it? What do you know about this whippersnipper, Jack? Do you know any of the tricks of the trade? It's battery powered, it's lithium. Yeah, he's got his HYDRATE safety glasses. Always safety, that's the safety first. Never forget you've got safety is an important issue when doing tooling or unboxings. Yeah, right out. He's right, he's good. Stay with me, Jack. Okay, let's get this box open. I'm gonna dive right in. Yeah. Atta boy. What do you reckon? Jack, he's got his sleeve issues there. We're having some sleeve issues. The shirt's a little bit big. Waiting for his one to come in, the team shirt. Okay, Jack, we're back here, over here. Okay, let's do this. Oh, this box is hard. Well taped. The guys at nambour are really well known for their taping. You can see it's probably done by one of the fantastic staff there. I'd say probably Georgia or Dana. It's a family run show, so you always get the best quality service. And back. My offside is having trouble here, but we found it. Look at this. What's in here, Jack? Oh, hands. Oh, there you go. He's got his hands back. We're away. We're going to open this up. First thing Jack's got, the 1.6mm cutter line. Great work, Jack. Good spot. Then he's got us the poly cutters. They're the spare polycut blades. You'll find them in there. They're a great little thing. Instead of having that steel blade, you've got a nice n.t.f.c, looks like some sort of polyethylene cutter. Just slits on the side. Great little thing. What else we got in there, Jack? What's your next thing you got? What's that? What's this? Warranty instructions. Warranty information. Still does a great warranty. Make sure they look after you. Now what are we into next, Jack? We'll get the whole unit out. Is that the blade guard? Blade guard? What's this one? Battery charger? That's for a charger. Battery comes in the unit. You're fine, is that correct, Jack? Yep, I think it's, yeah. Hey look, new set of safety glasses for Jack. Good work, Jack. There's the blades that come with it. I've got some extra ones supplied just in case. And then let's get the rest of this out. And there you have it, Stihl fsa45. It's currently got the blade unit in it. Quick change unit, I think. Flexible head, adjustable head. Jack's trying to get control of it straight away. You can see it's a multi 45-degree angle head on it, which is awesome to get those right cut. And we'll come back to you more with an operational video. Here we go. Stihl fsa45, fully charged. Got the grass blades. We're going to trim this grass up. know if you can see them. You can. So that's the little Teflon blades. They basically slide on and off. Very simple. That's it, on and off. Slide, anyone can do that. So I'm going to take them off now. And put the put some line in and do those edges. Now that just feeds in like this. And just push it down like that. That's all we're gonna do. Do the same for this other one. And we're away. How easy is that? 10 million times easier than the old ways. Okay, let's check this out. And that's it. That's all we need to do. A little trim. I'm done some repairs here on the old grass. That's the fsa45. Cleanup's going to take you a little bit longer. We'll go and get the Stihl blower, battery blower, part of the n.t.f.c series. And there you have it. Piece of cake, easy to change. Yeah.